Good morning, Friday, July 26, 2024, day 10. We are at the Celebrity Theatre, waiting our turn for the tender to the land of Waterford in Ireland.
This is an important note that concerns your safety. Please pay extra attention when This is an important note that concerns your safety. Please pay extra attention when entering. When inside the tender, watch your step and mind your head.
I'm here. No, sir.
Uh-oh, I don't have my ticket.
Is that your good wife behind you? And we're blessed today because we have lovely, lovely sunny day for you. Have you ever heard by hook or by crook?
Yes.
This is it, folks. Look over at the lighthouse, the oldest lighthouse in Northwest Europe, and Crook Cemetery is this second inlet there. There's an old cemetery dating back to the 1300s. I wonder if they came back today, what would they do? Now on our left-hand side we have the Haven Hotel.
Whoa.
The Marquee is a wedding venue. About hurling, I won't tell you now, it's a national game that we play. Or the long linear fish. So you see the cordyline trees? Because we have a temperate climate. So we have 10 minutes. So if you want to go around and look at the crystal, enjoy the experience. Don't just wait. Have a look around.
Perfect.
This is our history room, so here I'm going to give you an overview of the history of Waterford Crystal before we make our way in.
Just keep making your way. So depending on what crystal you're using when you're going to the road from cast iron. Again, the crystal is choice. You'll see the crystal using these when we walk onto the road floor.
memorised how to make the cups into the crystal. So they know how deep the cup needs to go into the piece. They know how thick the cup needs to. Start making our way into the cupping department. So here you can see our craftsmen placing the individual cups into the crystal. They'll have to go over the cups again. If the craftsman cups too deep, they might make a whole different particles flying all around the room. Now here in Waterford Crystal we have two main types called the flat cups. So the flat cup can be seen on the bottom of the decanter here and up near the top. So they get the solid blocks of crystal directly from the blowing department, and they're going to use all of the machines around the UV lines. Once the loctite glue dries, it is going to create a 100% clear bond between the crystal. I'll explain our engraving department. Part of the factory, we do 3 different types of engraving. So we do sandblasting, copper wheel engraving, and diamond buzzing. The final type of engraving we do is called diamond buzzing. So if you look at the angels drawn on the sides of the piece here,
and the interest box from 15.
It's going to be, they're only line up behind you.
Well, you have to do that and on the people.
Yeah.
The post office on post in Gaelic. Yes, right here.
The streets are so narrow you can't bring a bus.
You go down the main corridor, so you go down the stairs down to the castle.
Victorian Castle.
The picture is staying at the back and I'm staying at the front.
Noon, doon tayo, barbecues on the terrace.
This country is unbelievable.
Hey, that's the Harley shop. So if you want to take any.
Good.
Langton.
Don't worry.
1541 people. Yeah.
Pura mo, dyan hard. Nasaan seltzer?
Sit down. Go there. Forever friends. Don't you worry, you're gonna eat again in an hour and a half.
Seaport tragedy in 1816, and the St. Joseph families. I can't see the red ones now, would be the Simontons. Folks, look at all the lovely cattle. We have the Black Angus, the Lady Angus, and also the Long Meadow.
Why? Long life.
Okay, here we go.
Always.
Yeah. Say again.
More travel.
Come on.
Go, go, go.
Mr. Roy.